Welcome to Lake Alfred. This home is located across the street from Lake Swoope. There is plenty of area at the park to enjoy the views, picnic, walk the dogs, and make use of the boat ramp. This home is just under half an acre with gardens around the home. You will see some muscadine grapes and blueberry bushes. You will enjoy the lake views from your courtyard while you relax or through the picturesque window in the great room. This home features great room, kitchen, dining room, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, a large den, and a courtyard. The den could be further renovated to be a 3rd bedroom, maybe a master suite, with a 2nd bath. The rest of the home has been remodeled. The kitchen was remodeled in 2017 with wood cabinets, plenty of cabinets, self-closing drawers, quartz countertops, new faucets, large pot sink, dimmers, stainless steel appliances with a gas stove. The main bedroom has a built-in bed frame with drawers that will remain. Most of the home is engineered hardwood. The bathroom was remodeled with a new vanity, large stone shower, and travertine floor. The electrical is all updated. The home has been replumbed and includes a gas tankless hot water heater. Most of the windows have been replaced. The backyard is fenced with a strong fort built in the tree. The roof was replaced in 2019. All sizes are approximate. Call for your showing today.